video I'm going to show you how you can install Bitchat. Simply click on the link given in the pinned comment. You will be here on this page of GitHub. Scroll down. As you can see, Bitchat 3 megabit. So this is the Bitchat application link. Download it. I already have downloaded, so I'm gonna install it. It's completely safe. Currently it's in beta phase. Once it will be fully stable, it will be published on Play Store. Now grant permission. For your kind information, I already installed this app on my secondary device. As you can see, device 2 connected, so I'm gonna send a message. Hi. And this is it. Hi. So this is how it works, and you can see people who are in my network. Maybe if you need more technical detail of this video, you can ask me. I would reply to you in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you're still watching it, and subscribe. Bye bye for now.